Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Artist, and today we are going to see a beautiful menu bar with beautiful Glassmorphism effect in the background with source code in React. Okay, so without any wastage of timing, I will show you what we are going to see today. I have already opened it to avoid any wastage of timing. See this, see the effect, okay, see the effect. Okay, let's refresh this page. Okay, by default I set it to the to this setting. Okay, see the effect of Glassmorphism in the background. Something look like a light is going in the background. Okay, so let's move to the source code part. And guys, if you think I'm providing some good content to you, so please support my channel also. Okay, I will show you the source code. Okay, see the source code. I have already opened it. It is pure JS. I am not using any third-party library for this. And for icons, I am using these React icons. You can use font awesome icons or any other icons as you wish. That's depends on you totally. And guys, I will show you the source code in this video. Okay, just take the screenshot or pause the video and copy it in your project. Or if you have a shortage of timing, just pay me only ₹5. I will provide you the source code. Okay, see the okay. I will scroll it down slowly. Take the screenshot or pause the video and copy the code. Okay, just copy till 48 line number 48. Okay, I will show you the I will move to the index.css file. Okay, for this. Okay, let's move to the index.css part. Copy start copy from 607 line number 607. Okay, and I will scroll it down. Just take the screenshot or pause the video and copy the code. I will continuously scrolling it. Okay, that's the stop copy at line number 686. Okay, 686. Okay, this is the full process for this video. Okay, move to the JSX part. This is the JSX. Okay, that's and guides everything. I'm providing some good content to you, so please support my channel. And thanks for watching till. Thanks a lot. Thank you.